Hey, what's up everybody? It's Driz here, and today we are recording episode 2 of our rebuild series. So, basically, we have gone up 8 mil since our last video, and currently there's a lot of people at the dueling arena, so that's pretty cool. So, I guess let's just start it out. Oh, let's see. So you want to fight? Yeah, sweet. How much does he want to do? Let's see. 2 mil? I'm cool with that. Okay, yeah, sorry guys, I kinda have allergies right now, but come on, let's win this. Let's win this shit. Let's get pid, let's get pid. Let's go. Oh shit, I was lagging. There we go. Tank it. Oh no. Come on. There you go. Oh god, no. Uh-oh. Okay, this is bad. Alright, well we probably lost this one. You never know though. We could tank the shit out of it. Oh, no, never mind. Yeah, good fight. Rematch? See how much you want to do this time. 2 mil? Let's see. Let's try lunge a couple times. There we go. There we go. Alright, sweet. Alright, so yeah, good fight. We completely wrecked shop on that kid just now. Let's see if he wants to go again. Okay, that was weird. That was kind of a bug, but we'll DDS him 5 mil next time. Let's see how much he wants to do. 3 mil. So yeah, I guess we're just gonna stick with lunge. I spam click the shit out of him whenever it gets down to it. Do I have more spec? I don't know. We just completely raped him though. Good fight. So yeah, we're sticking with freaking lunge, man. We were wrecking shop just now. Let's see, does he want to go again? No? Alright, sweet. Let's see. They want to fight? Are they fighting or am I fighting somebody? Alright, so once I get another fight, I will resume the video. So I'll see you guys there. Alright guys, looks like we have another fight. He wants to do 1 mil this time. This is the same guy that we've been fighting, but I think we might have figured out the trick, man. Lunge. Maybe. Oh, that's a pretty close one. Oh, there we go. Come on, good fight him. Good fight. Alright, so yeah, we're up 4 mil. Sweet. Peace. I'll see him. One, 2, 5 mil. Alright, if we get another fight, I'll resume the video for you guys, so I'll see you guys there. I'll box. How much? How much you want to do, kid? Is he saying something in game? Oh, 5 mil, okay. I don't know, man. I don't know how I feel about. Alright. Karate kick him. There we go. Punch him. Come on. Come on, punch him, boy. There you go. Keep punching. Keep punching. Come on. There we go. Kick him. Dang, we're tanking him. I say that now, he's probably gonna get like a freaking. Oh, he hit 2. Oh god, see, yep, that's what happens right there. Come on. I'm eating these freaking amazing Cheez-Its right now. They're called Cheez-It Zings. They're pretty good. It's like Chipotle cheddar. They're pretty good. Come on. Bend over. I think I'm up a little. Oh, wow. Come on. Oh, God, no. Are you kidding me? Wow. We were like wrecking shop. Now he's just killing us, man. Wow, good fight. We can still come back, though. We can still come back. Okay, good fight. Never mind. Screw that. Sure. Let's just do 300k, I guess. Sorry guys, I kind of have allergies. I don't know if y'all can hear it. Alright. Let's go. Thank you. Watch, we're gonna wreck him. We're gonna wreck him. We're wrecking shop. Look at that freaking vine whip. Good fight. Probably just cleaned him. DDS 5 to 10 mil. Sure. Let's see. So that's, I'll do 8.5 mil. I'm poor, man. Come on. Okay, thank you. Come on, let's win this. Please, let's win this. We need to win this. The one that matters, we're probably not even going to win. Oh, God. No. Are you kidding me? Wow. This is freaking terrible. Okay. We're going all in. This is stupid. 20 mil. BDS 20 mil. Huh. Heavy breathing. Wow. Okay. Okay, well. I guess we're just waiting for him. God damn it. That sucks, dude. We need to win this so bad. I told myself I was going to give myself like a 5 mil max or something. That's not really happening, is it? Oh, man. Alright, basically for the clean. For the clean. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on. There we go. Come on. Oh shit. Fuck. Okay, you little bitch, stop hitting me. Let's just keep on getting that. Let's get Rambo. Rambo his ass. There we go. Oh. Come on. Hit. Hit. Oh my god, you're kicking like a bitch, dude. We're like lagging a little. There we go. Oh god, and then he comes back and freaking hits. What the hell? This will probably be it. If we win this, it'll probably be the end. Oh, Jesus. Come on, please hit, man. I can't hit worth shit right now. Wow, and then when I do hit, I hit like really low. There's a 57, that's alright. Watch, he's gonna hit like an 80. Here it comes, I feel it. Oh, I hit an 80. Oh, there's that 90. Let's go. Let's go. Kick him. Oh, yes. Yes! Oh, man. Okay, that just saved our asses. Come on. Please finish him. Finish him. Finish him. Good fight. Yes. Okay. So, I'm pretty sure that's going to be... That'll be... I can... Let's do... Hell no. Fuck that shit. We'll do one more and then that'll be it. Alright. Good luck. Say hi to YouTube. Hi, Mom. Alright. You're hitting too, bud. Okay. We're keeping up with him though. Oh wow, that's gotta suck, man. I hope you win this one. So far, it's looking like you will. Oh. Oh shit. Come on. Keep hitting. Keep hitting. Hit harder than him. He hit a 7. Come on, we can hit higher. Yeah. There we go. Yes. Okay, wow, man. You're just unlucky here. Good fight. Slut. Don't call me a slut, man. Alright, so yeah, we are up to 43 mil now, so we're making leeway. So I guess I'll see you guys in the next episode. I'll probably just record it right now. This will just be probably 2 parts or something. I don't know. But anyways, I will see you guys in the next episode. So yeah, comment, rate, subscribe. Peace out, guys.